So we're here in Savannah, Georgia with the one and only Iron Chef Stephanie Izard. Chef, are you hungry?
Always.
Fantastic. We're here.
At a food truck that's not even open. We're in Savannah. I want something a little more Savannah-y.
Do you like pizza?
Yes.
Do you like bagels?
Of course.
Do you like kimchi?
You know I do.
Fantastic. We're here. This is Big Bon Bodega. That's just their catering trailer.
Okay.
Green gosh, sesame, and buffalo cheddar for banh mi.
You're gonna find some flavor combinations here that you won't find anywhere else in Savannah.
You guys ready?
It's bagels and pizza, and it's the perfect place.
And this crowd-pleasing combo is brought to you by K Heritage, who's doubling up oven duty.
Bagels in the morning.
And then it's pizzas in the afternoon.
That's right.
I can't say that I've seen bagels cooked in the wood-fired oven before.
The wood fire oven makes the dough a little bit more smoky.
With the variety of flavors they have, you're never dissatisfied here.
Two Korean mama on sesame.
The kimchi with the beef, the cheese, man, what a combination.
What do we start with first? Bagels?
Yeah. Water, honey, malt syrup, rye flour,
Rye not. Salt.
and yeast. High gluten lancelot flour. You're gonna run that mixer for about 16 minutes. So we're gonna cut this. You ready to put it in the machine?
Yeah.
Put a little nose on this.
So it'll start to feed.
Here we go. It starts to form.
Wow.
Let it rest for about 7 minutes, and then we put it in the refrigerator overnight.
What kind of bagel are we gonna make today?
Sesame bagels.
Got it.
We want to make sure our boiler is rolling boil. Honey and malt syrup mixture.
Yeah, the Iron Chef doesn't do enough that now she needs to be, oh, I'm gonna put it in.
The honey in the malt is so important.
Ready?
Yeah, let's see. How long are you gonna boil it for?
30 to 45 seconds. When it's kind of cooked, we'll scoop them out and put the sesame seeds on. We're gonna get a good crust on it in the oven for about 4 minutes,
Okay.
and then we're gonna flip it over.
Got it.
Let's make bulgogi meat.
Let's do it.
Garlic and some fresh ginger, sesame oil, soy sauce, cola, and a little bit of brown sugar. Just pulse it.
On to flank steak.
That's it. We're gonna finish it off on a flat top.
Got it. All right, let's make the kimchi.
All right, let's do it. Water,
So Napa cabbage, a bunch of salt. How long are we gonna let this set up?
5 to 6 hours. Drain it upside down.
Or otherwise it'll get really soggy.
Yes.
Now we're into the kimchi base.
Red bell pepper, salted shrimp,
Fish sauce,
garlic,
ginger.
and sugar. We're just gonna pulse it. It's a little coarse. Rice paste,
The key to all of kimchi,
gochugaru, cilantro,
and the scallions.
Get in between all
get
the
in
layers.
between.
All right, so let this go for up to a week. Now for the kimchi cream cheese, walk me through that.
Okay, cream cheese, chopped kimchi, sambal, green onions, gochugaru, fresh ginger.
That all gets mixed together, and after a day, that cream cheese will have all that flavor all the way through it.
All of
Amazing.
it, yeah.
All right, let's see it.
With the toasted sesame bagel, we want to make sure we put a good layer of kimchi cream cheese, bulgogi meat,
Smells good.
and American cheese, pickled onions, kimchi that we made.
Oh, wow.
That's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, you can have some scraps over
Excuse me, sir.
It's gonna be a big messy bite.
The bagel is dynamite. It's got great chew.
It's amazing.
The bulgogi, you can put that on a flip-flop, but it's a really well-constructed sandwich. I almost thought you were gonna have too much of the kimchi cream cheese, but there's the right amount of considering the amount of bagel that there is. I mean, it's dynamite.
I have the Korean mama.
The beef was so tender and it just had a little bit of a spice.
The combination of the meat and the kimchi, really excellent.